Hey guys! Are you planning for any AWS certification or want to learn about AWS Cloud for your career growth? Then let's start this journey step by step. In this video, we will go through the cheat sheet for AWS Core Services. The knowledge you will get in this video will definitely help you for every AWS certifications, interviews, and your day-to-day work. So, let's start quickly. Let's talk about agenda for this video. In this video, we will cover important core services. First we will talk about compute services. Then we'll move to end-user computing services. Then we will go through networking and content delivery services. Next we will talk about storage services, once we are done with it. Then we will talk about database services. So now we have covered AWS Core Services, but we will go through two more modules of services, which are very important for every AWS certification exam. First, we will talk about security, identity and access management, and compliance services. And in last, we will see the AWS Cost Management Services. You can check your knowledge about AWS services with this mentioned video, which is prepared for AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner exam, that covers real exam practice question. As this is the first level AWS certification, so these questions will help you in your interview, to answer concept-based questions. You can access this video through the mentioned URL, and I will share the link in description. Now let's start with the first module. Now we will talk about compute services. AWS EC2 service. EC2 stands for Elastic Compute Cloud. Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud provides resizable compute capacity in the cloud. Amazon EC2 Auto Scaling service. Amazon EC2 Auto Scaling helps you to maintain application availability and allows you to automatically add or remove EC2 instances, according to conditions you define. Amazon Elastic Container Registry Service. Amazon Elastic Container Registry, ECR, is a fully managed Docker container registry that makes it easy to store, share, and deploy container images. Amazon Elastic Container Service ECS, service. Amazon ECS is a fully managed container orchestration service that makes it easy for you to deploy, manage, and scale containerized applications. Amazon Elastic Container Service for Kubernetes Service. Amazon Elastic Container Service for Kubernetes, Amazon EKS, is a fully managed service that makes it easy for you to use Kubernetes on AWS without having to be an expert in managing Kubernetes clusters. Amazon EKS is a managed container service to run and scale Kubernetes applications in the cloud or on premises. Amazon Lightsail Service. Amazon Lightsail offers easy-to-use virtual private server, VPS, instances, containers, storage, databases, and more at a cost-effective monthly price. AWS Batch Service. AWS Batch enables developers, scientists, and engineers to easily and efficiently run hundreds of thousands of batch computing jobs on AWS. With AWS Batch, there is no need to install and manage batch computing software or server clusters that you use to run your jobs. There is no additional charge for AWS Batch, just need to pay for the resources we create to store and run batch jobs. AWS Elastic Beanstalk Service. AWS Elastic Beanstalk is an application container for deploying and managing applications. You can simply upload your code, and Elastic Beanstalk automatically handles the deployment, from capacity provisioning, load balancing, auto scaling to application health monitoring. AWS Fargate Service. AWS Fargate is a serverless, pay-as-you-go compute engine that lets you focus on building applications without managing servers. AWS Lambda Service. AWS Lambda is an event-driven, serverless computing platform provided by Amazon as a part of Amazon Web Services. It is a computing service that runs code in response to events and automatically manages the computing resources required by that code. AWS Outposts Service. AWS Outposts is a fully managed service that offers the same AWS infrastructure, AWS services, APIs, and tools to virtually any data center, colocation space, or on-premises facility for a truly consistent hybrid experience. AWS Outposts is ideal for workloads that require low latency access to on-premises systems, local data processing, data residency, and migration of applications with local system interdependencies. AWS Serverless Application Repository Service. AWS Serverless Application Repository is a managed repository for serverless applications. It enables teams, organizations, and individual developers to store and share reusable applications, and easily assemble and deploy serverless architectures in powerful new ways. VMware Cloud on AWS Service. AWS is VMware's preferred public cloud partner for all vSphere-based workloads. The VMware and AWS partnership delivers a faster, easier, and cost-effective path to the hybrid cloud while allowing customers to modernize applications, enabling faster time to market and increased innovation. Now we have second module, where we will talk about end-user computing services. Let's see. Amazon WorkSpaces Service. Amazon WorkSpaces is a fully managed desktop virtualization service that enables you to securely access data and applications from any supported device. Amazon AppStream 2.0 Service. Amazon AppStream 2.0 is a fully managed non-persistent desktop and application service for remotely accessing your work. Amazon WorkDocs Service. Amazon WorkDocs is a fully managed, secure content creation, storage, and collaboration service. With Amazon WorkDocs, you can easily create, edit, and share content, and because it's stored centrally on AWS, so you can access it from anywhere on any device. Amazon WorkLink Service. Amazon WorkLink lets your employees use their personal phones to securely access internal corporate websites and web apps. Now, we will go through the AWS services related to networking and content delivery. Amazon VPC Service. Amazon Virtual Private Cloud, VPC, is a service that lets you launch AWS resources in a logically isolated virtual network that you define. Internet Gateway, IGW, Service. An Internet Gateway is a horizontally scaled, redundant, and highly available VPC component that allows communication between your VPC and the Internet. Virtual Private Gateway, VPG, Service. We associate a Direct Connect Gateway with the Virtual Private Gateway for the VPC. Then, we create a private virtual interface for our AWS Direct Connect connection to the Direct Connect Gateway. NAT Gateway Service. A NAT Gateway is a Network Address Translation, NAT, service. We can use a NAT gateway so that instances in a private subnet can connect to services outside our VPC, but external services cannot initiate a connection with our instances. Customer Gateway Service. A customer gateway device is a physical or software appliance that we own or manage in our on-premises network, on our side of a site-to-site VPN connection. We, or our network administrator, must configure the device to work with the site-to-site VPN connection. VPC Peering Service. A VPC peering connection is a networking connection between two VPCs that enables you to route traffic between them using private IP4 addresses or IP6 addresses. Instances in either VPC can communicate with each other as if they are within the same network. Classic Link Service. Classic Link allows you to link EC2 Classic instances to a VPC in your account within the same region. Amazon API Gateway Service. Amazon API Gateway is a fully managed service that makes it easy for developers to create, publish, maintain, monitor, and secure APIs at any scale. Amazon CloudFront Service. Amazon CloudFront is a global content delivery network, CDN, service built for high-speed, low-latency performance, security, and developer ease of use. Amazon Route 53 Service. Amazon Route 53 is a highly available and scalable cloud domain name system, DNS, web service, AWS App Mesh Service. AWS App Mesh is a service mesh that provides application-level networking to make it easy for your services to communicate with each other across multiple types of compute infrastructure. App Mesh gives end-to-end visibility and high availability for your applications. AWS Cloud Map Service. AWS Cloud Map is a cloud resource discovery service. With Cloud Map, you can define custom names for your application resources, and it maintains the updated location of these dynamically changing resources. This increases your application availability, because your web service always discovers the most up-to-date locations of its resources. AWS Direct Connect Service. AWS Direct Connect is a cloud service that links your network directly to AWS, bypassing the internet to deliver more consistent, lower latency performance. AWS Global Accelerator Service. AWS Global Accelerator is a networking service that improves the performance of your users' traffic by up to 60%. Using Amazon Web Services global network infrastructure. When the internet is congested, AWS Global Accelerator optimizes the path to your application to keep packet loss, jitter, and latency consistently low. AWS Private Link Service. AWS Private Link provides private connectivity between VPCs, AWS services, and your on-premises networks, without exposing your traffic to the public internet. AWS Transit Gateway Service. AWS Transit Gateway connects VPCs and on-premises networks through a central hub. AWS VPN Service. AWS Virtual Private Network, AWS VPN, establishes encrypted connections between your network or device and AWS Elastic Load Balancer Service. Elastic Load Balancing, ELB, is a load balancing service for AWS deployments. ELB automatically distributes incoming application traffic and scales resources to meet traffic demands. I hope you are enjoying this video and hope it is helping you to learn. Now, we will talk about storage services. Amazon S3 Service. Amazon S3 or Amazon Simple Storage Service is a service offered by Amazon Web Services that provides object storage through a web service interface. Amazon S3 uses the same scalable storage infrastructure that Amazon.com uses to run its global e-commerce network. Amazon EBS Service. Amazon Elastic Block Store or Amazon EBS is an easy-to-use, scalable, high-performance block storage service designed for Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud, that is, Amazon EC2. Amazon EFS Service. Amazon Elastic File System or Amazon EFS automatically grows and shrinks as you add and remove files with no need for management or provisioning. Amazon FSx for Lustre Service. Amazon FSx for Lustre is a fully managed service that provides cost-effective, high-performance, scalable storage for compute workloads. Many workloads such as machine learning, high-performance computing, HPC, video rendering, and financial simulations depend on compute instances, accessing the same set of data through high-performance shared storage. Amazon FSx for Windows File Server Service. Amazon FSx for Windows File Server provides fully managed, highly reliable, and scalable file storage that is accessible over the industry standard Server Message Block (SMB) protocol. Amazon S3 Glacier Service. Amazon S3 Glacier and S3 Glacier Deep Archive are secure, durable, and extremely low-cost Amazon S3 cloud storage service for data archiving and long-term backup. They are designed to deliver 99.9 times 9% durability and provide comprehensive security and compliance capabilities that can help to meet even the most stringent regulatory requirements. AWS Backup Service. AWS Backup enables you to centralize and automate data protection across AWS services. AWS Backup offers a cost-effective, fully managed, policy-based service that further simplifies data protection at scale. AWS Backup also helps you to support your regulatory compliance or business policies for data protection. AWS Snow Family Service. AWS Snow Family, comprised of AWS Snow Cone, AWS Snowball, and AWS Snowmobile, offers a number of physical devices and capacity points, most with built-in computing capabilities. These services help physically transport of data, up to exabytes into AWS, and out of AWS. Snow Family devices are owned and managed by AWS, and integrate with AWS security, monitoring, storage management, and computing capabilities. AWS Storage Gateway Service. AWS Storage Gateway is a set of hybrid cloud services that gives you on-premises access to virtually unlimited cloud storage. Customers use Storage Gateway to integrate AWS cloud storage with existing on-site workloads, so they can simplify storage management and reduce costs for key hybrid cloud storage use cases. Now, we will talk about database services related to AWS. These are very important if you are preparing for certification exams like AWS Cloud Practitioner, AWS Solution Architect, or AWS Architect Professional. Amazon Aurora Service. Amazon Aurora is a MySQL and PostgreSQL compatible relational database built for the cloud that combines the performance and availability of traditional enterprise databases with the simplicity and cost-effectiveness of open-source databases. Amazon Document DB Service. Amazon Document DB is a fully managed, enterprise-ready document database service that scales JSON workloads with ease. Amazon Dynamo DB Service. Amazon Dynamo DB is a fully managed, serverless, key-value NoSQL database designed to run high-performance applications at any scale. Amazon ElastiCache Service. Amazon ElastiCache is a fully managed, in-memory caching service supporting flexible, real-time use cases. We can use ElastiCache for caching, which accelerates application and database performance, or as a primary data store for use cases that don't require durability like session stores, gaming leaderboards, streaming, and analytics. Amazon ElastiCache Service. Amazon ElastiCache is a fully managed, in-memory caching service supporting flexible, real-time use cases. We can use ElastiCache for caching, which accelerates application and database performance, or as a primary data store for use cases that don't require durability like session stores, gaming leaderboards, streaming, and analytics. Amazon QLDB Service. Amazon Quantum Ledger Database, QLDB, is a fully managed ledger database that provides a transparent, immutable, and cryptographically verifiable transaction log. Amazon Relational Database Service. Amazon Relational Database Service, Amazon RDS, makes it easy to set up, operate, and scale a relational database in the cloud. It provides cost-efficient and resizable capacity while automating time-consuming administration tasks such as hardware provisioning, database setup, patching and backups. Amazon RDS on VMware Service. Amazon Relational Database Service, RDS, on VMware, lets you deploy managed databases in on-premises VMware environments using the Amazon RDS technology, enjoyed by hundreds of thousands of AWS customers. Amazon RDS provides cost-efficient and resizable capacity, while automating time-consuming administration tasks, including infrastructure provisioning, database setup, patching, and backups, freeing you to focus on your applications. Amazon Redshift Service. Amazon Redshift uses SQL to analyze structured and semi-structured data across data warehouses, operational databases, and data lakes, using AWS-designed hardware and machine learning to deliver the best price performance at any scale. Amazon TimeStream Service. Amazon TimeStream is a fast, scalable, and serverless time series database service for IoT and operational applications that makes it easy to store and analyze trillions of events per day up to 1,000 times faster and at as little as 1/10 the cost of relational databases. AWS Database Migration Service. AWS Database Migration Service, AWS DMS, helps you to migrate databases to AWS quickly and securely. The source database remains fully operational during the migration, minimizing downtime to applications that rely on the database. The AWS Database Migration Service can migrate your data to and from the most widely used commercial and open source databases. Now we will go through the services related to security, identity, and compliance in Amazon Web Services. AWS Identity and Access Management Service. AWS Identity and Access Management, IAM, enables you to manage access to AWS services and resources securely. Using IAM, you can create and manage AWS users and groups, and use permissions to allow and deny their access to AWS resources. Amazon Cloud Directory Service. Amazon Cloud Directory enables you to build flexible cloud-native directories for organizing hierarchies of data along multiple dimensions. Amazon Cognito Service. Amazon Cognito lets you add user sign-up, sign-in, and access control to your web and mobile apps quickly and easily. Amazon Cognito scales to millions of users and supports sign-in with social identity providers, such as Apple, Facebook, Google, and Amazon, and enterprise identity providers via SAML 2.0 and OpenID Connect. Amazon Guard Duty Service. Amazon Guard Duty is a threat detection service that continuously monitors your AWS accounts and workloads for malicious activity and delivers detailed security findings for visibility and remediation. Amazon Inspector Service. Amazon Inspector is an automated security assessment service that helps improve the security and compliance of applications deployed on AWS. Amazon Inspector automatically assesses applications for exposure, vulnerabilities, and deviations from best practices. Amazon Macie Service. Amazon Macie is a fully managed data security and data privacy service that uses machine learning and pattern matching to discover and protect your sensitive data in AWS. AWS Artifact Service. AWS Artifact is your go-to, central resource for compliance-related information that matters to you. It provides on-demand access to AWS security and compliance reports, and select online agreements. AWS Certificate Manager Service. AWS Certificate Manager is a service that lets you easily provision, manage, and deploy public and private secure sockets layer/transport layer security, SSL/TLS, certificates, for use with AWS services and your internal connected resources. AWS Cloud HSM Service. AWS Cloud HSM is a cloud-based hardware security module, HSM, that enables you to easily generate and use your own encryption keys on the AWS cloud. AWS Directory Service. AWS Directory Service for Microsoft Active Directory, also known as AWS Managed Microsoft Active Directory, enables your directory-aware workloads and AWS resources to use Managed Active Directory in AWS. AWS Firewall Manager Service. AWS Firewall Manager is a security management service which allows you to centrally configure and manage firewall rules across your accounts and applications in AWS organizations. In case of new applications are created, Firewall Manager makes it easy to bring new applications and resources into compliance by enforcing a common set of security rules. AWS KMS Service. AWS Key Management Service makes it easy for you to create and manage cryptographic keys and control their use across a wide range of AWS services and in your applications. AWS RAM Service. AWS Resource Access Manager helps you securely share your resources across AWS accounts, within your organization or organizational units in AWS organizations, and with IAM roles and IAM users, for supported resource types. You can use AWS RAM to share transit gateways, subnets, AWS License Manager license configurations, Amazon Route 53 resolver rules, and more resource types. AWS Secrets Manager. AWS Secrets Manager helps you protect secrets needed to access your applications, services, and IT resources. This service enables you to easily rotate, manage, and retrieve database credentials, API keys, and other secrets throughout their lifecycle. AWS Security Hub Service. AWS Security Hub is a cloud security posture management service that automates best practice checks, aggregates alerts, and supports automated remediation. AWS Shield Service. AWS Shield is a managed distributed denial of service, DDoS, protection service that safeguards applications running on AWS. AWS Shield provides always-on detection and automatic inline mitigations that minimize application downtime and latency, so there is no need to engage AWS support to benefit from DDoS protection. There are 2 tiers of AWS Shield, Standard and Advanced. AWS SSO Service. AWS Single Sign-On, AWS SSO, is where you create, or connect, your workforce identities in AWS once, and manage access centrally across your AWS organization. You can choose to manage access just to your AWS accounts, or cloud applications. AWS WAF Service. AWS WAF is a web application firewall that helps protect your web applications, or APIs against common web exploits, and bots that may affect availability, compromise security, or consume excessive resources. Let's see the AWS Cost Management Service. AWS Cost Explorer Service. AWS Cost Explorer has an easy-to-use interface that lets you visualize, understand, and manage your AWS costs and usage over time. AWS Budgets Service. AWS Budgets is the simplest way to monitor your AWS spend and be alerted when you exceed or are forecasted to exceed your desired spending limit. AWS Cost and Usage Reports Service. AWS Cost and Usage Reports tracks your AWS usage and provides estimated charges associated with your account. Reserved Instance Reporting Service, known as Re-Reporting Service. The reserved instance utilization and coverage reports are available out of the box in AWS Cost Explorer. Using these reports, you can set custom reutilization and coverage targets, visualize how well you are tracking towards your goals, and access information associated with your savings as compared to on-demand prices. So guys, that's it in this video. I hope the information and knowledge you got from this video is helpful to start your AWS journey. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to click on like button. Share this video with your friends to help them to learn and grow faster. Also, subscribe to the channel for more latest content in future. Thanks for watching, see you in next video.